Hello, my friends. Good morning. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful weekend. So, our SQL journey is going on, my friends. We are researching and learning the data science in a wonderful way. We're enjoying each day. So, today, my friends, we will be discussing on the TCL language of SQL. So, what's that? The TCL means a transaction control language that helps you to experiment with your transaction. You can insert records, you can save records, and then you can roll back your changes. So in this example, if you see my friends, what I have done, this is just an example to make you understand. I have started my transaction. I have inserted few records in my product table. If you see here, these are the three products recently added by me. That is Manu SR007, Manu SR008, Manu SR009. These are some of the products that has been recently added. And I have also saved my transaction. If you see, these are the product keys 707, 708, and 709. So what TCL help us? The TCL help us to save my transaction or my entry in the table line by line. So for example, if I want to undo my changes, if I want to roll back my changes, I just need to execute the rollback, and this will delete all these records because it is still under experimental phase. If I want to, roll back till SRO8, if I execute this, then my 709 entry will be deleted. So this is how, my friends, you can roll back using your TCL language. So let us understand some concept on the TCL language. It is very simple concept. It is very easy to understand. So if you see here, my friends, the TCL, what does TCL mean? The TCL is a transition control language in SQL. TCL controls transactions in a database. It helps you to save, undo, and finalize changes. This is what I explained to you with my example. So if you go down, so what it helps. So what does commit do? Commit permanently save the changes. What rollback does? Undoes changes that are not yet saved. And what are the save point? Create a checkpoint to roll back to a specific point. And what is set transaction? So set transaction properties like isolation level, read write mode. So these are some basic functions of the TCL statement. So if you see here, imagine editing a Word document. So what do you mean by commit? Commit will click on save and it commits. So when we do undo, it roll back any saving. What is the save point? We add a bookmark to return to the ledger. And when we set transaction, what does mean? Choose editing rules before you start. So these are some of the important functions in the TCL language. So if you see, my friends, I have already edited some of the, in my examples, we have three entries. So say, for example, I want to roll back to the save point SROA. If I execute this statement and try to again, try to run my command again. Let me run it, my friends, quickly for you. And let us see whether do we have the entry there or the entry is gone. Let me save it and run this query. Now let me quickly check, my friends. You see the 7009 is gone. So this is how, my friends, the TCL language, the TCL commands works. So I hope you have understood the TCL language. It's a very beautiful concept how the rollback works. If I execute the rollback, all the recently created entries would be deleted from my table. So this is frequently used by the DBA team, and it's a wonderful concept to learn. So please join my channel and subscribe my data science channel to learn and explore more fundamental concepts into data science, and slowly we'll deep dive into different tools in the data science world. I hope, my friends, you're keeping a good health. Take care and have a great day ahead. Thank you.